Hello and welcome to Cake. Today I'm preparing a salad, a Southwestern inspired salad with a vegan cilantro avocado dressing. Let's begin with this dressing. I'm using half a cup of vegetable oil, 2 avocados, at least 2 cloves of garlic, the juice of 1.5 limes, a bunch of cilantro, some salt, and water to get the desired consistency. If you don't mind this dressing as a non-vegan option, you could add some Greek yogurt, which would give it a little bit of a sweetness and creaminess. I simply place all the ingredients in a blender and mix while gradually adding water until I'm happy with the consistency. I had a quick taste and decided that the dressing needs a little bit more garlic and a little bit more salt. Now to the salad. I'm using a red bell pepper, half a cucumber, some Roma salad, black beans, corn, black olives, and a small red onion. If you'd like to add chicken strips to this, of course you could do that as well. I simply cut all the ingredients into small pieces, place them in a bowl, and I'm ready to serve my salad and my dressing. I hope you guys enjoyed the salad. Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes and creative ideas. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.